Alright, and we are back. Been a few days since I played last, so hopefully I remember what was going on. Pretty sure fought a Baroth and a Pteranodon in the last episode. I know for a fact I talked to everybody. I had to talk to a few people. The rampage is here. I'm not going to do the rampage just yet because honestly, that's boring, and I think the rampage is pretty bad. Let's see. Let's try our luck. Jackpot, baby. Some large barrel bombs, okay. We also have a, Sandy Plains Subcamp 2. Cool. So today, I think I'd like to do Khezu, but it's Khezu, you know? Ludroth. I might do Bird Up and Roggy. Yeah, I'll do Bird Up and Roggy today. Alright, so 50-50. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? It's Bird Up. Kuliaku going crazy. I mean, was taunting the Monopolist too. He laughed right in their faces. Stole their egg, laughed in their faces, dipped out of there, man. I feel you. Do the same thing when I go to the grocery store. I run in, taunt the workers, and steal a whole bunch of eggs. Alright. This is going to be probably the second easiest hunt next to, like, Izuchi. What I'll probably do with the rampage is I'll probably just do the rampage and then voice over the rampage, because I don't feel like... I just feel like it's not good content to do the rampage. It's just, I don't know. Me personally, I just don't think the rampage was that fun. Maybe the later ones when when I'm fighting like Ibu, is this gonna hit? yeah, it's gonna hit. Nah, it's gonna... Oh, that hurts. That hurts. It's so like jarring to play Rise after like just last night I was playing some World, and it's so jarring to change between the two of them. Really? It's so jarring to change between the two of them because although I think that like the combat generally is better in this game, I don't know. Once you're like used to playing World for a while, it's hard to get into this. Man, I didn't even grab any. Get a rock. That would have killed me. And I would have died to a Kuliaku on YouTube. There we go. Will I get the TCS? Alright, so look at my step back. Look at my step back. I think my camera is like messed up. I think I have to change the distance. I think that's why I'm not used to it. Oh, wirefall. That's right. Dang it. What's harder to fight, Kuliaku or the Rock? It's the Rock, for sure. Up. He always steps back when he does that. I gotta pay attention to that. What is my cat doing? Use a foul line. Come on. Put him to sleep. Put him to sleep. Use a little sleep toad on him. Put him. What are you doing? Well, I'm like about to die. Oh, this ain't good. We're gonna have to pretty much die to Kuliaku here. I keep forgetting to, so like I said, I'm so used to Monster Hunter World that like I'm used to not having a supply box. I don't even know how that happened, man. Like it's dying to him is crazy. Okay, let me quick cheat for you. If you go into the camp, you immediately sharpen your weapon to max. Okay, there we go. Now I have some healing items. Some. Yeah, man, these are some rough hunts. I gotta just get used to this game. I just don't want to play too much because I want to, I want to record the game. At least to play through Village. I don't know how. Like, I mean, I've already said it before in a different video, but I still haven't really thought of a way to like play it. I don't know if I want to record everything through high rank and all that, or just like, hey, I'll do Village and then maybe just stream me playing through high rank and whatnot. Whether that be on YouTube or Twitch, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure yet. Is he sleeping? What's he doing? I've never seen a Kuliaku sit there like that. See, I'm sick of it. I'm just gonna hang it. Just let this fly. Ooh, that sucks. Is he tired or something? Yeah, oh, he's tired. And it doesn't really help either that last night I was using Frostcraft Greatsword. So the style of play is like considerably different. Oh, that doesn't walk forward. Okay, he just picks the rock up to throw the rock. I can't even get a good TCS on him or anything. Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking. That'll be a big hit. This might kill. Good heads. Oh! Good finish. Good finish. Cool. I don't know if I want to. I probably will switch weapons for Roggy. I'm trying to remember what type of weapon. I think he has a hammer, right? Kuliaku has a hammer. Yep. Hammer could be pretty fun to use. I think I'll just I might use the gun lance again. I'm gonna use the gun lance again. This gun lance sounds good. One Roggy. All right. It's time to get poisoned 8 times. Maybe Ludroth. Yeah, I'll fight Ludroth instead. I'll fight Ludroth instead. Ah, Ludroth. I was never, well, I never played 3 Ultimate, so I never got to really experience the full scope of Royal Ludroth being underwater and all. I'm trying to play through it now, but it's just tough. I don't have a Wii U, so playing it on a 3DS is just wow. It's rough. It's for sure rough. With that C stick, like trying to move around with the, well, I don't even think you can move around with the C stick in that one. I know you can in like 4 Ultimate and like Generations Ultimate and stuff. It sucks to use that C stick. Like sucks. Might have to get a Wii U at some point to play it. I've played pretty much most of the Monster Hunter games except for that one. That might be, well, there's obviously like G and, or, what am I thinking of? The online one, I forget the name of it. Alright. Alright. Man, he is just already on me like this. Did I not get the supplies again? I'm a smarty pants. I did. Here's a little secret trick too. If you put meat down in the water, the piranhas will pop them. Look. There you go. It's not a lot of damage, but you know, it adds up. Oh, Joseph, if you're watching this, man. Sorry, I'm not a gun lancer like you. The guard feels a lot slower in this game than it does in World. It feels a lot slower to guard. Not really one of my favorite monsters to fight, to be honest. Especially, that's why I didn't use Greatsword. Man! Should have used Longsword or something. Should have made a Longsword. Yeah, for sure, the guard is a lot slower in this game. How many sharpens are we up to now? We've sharpened quite a few times, and also we've got killed quite a few times. Because I'm not good at this game. I used to be pretty okay at it. But right now, I'm pretty bunch. Which means these hunts are going to take longer and longer. Which means less content. Less content means, you know, less millions of dollars for me when you think about it. So really, you know, I'm the best YouTuber of all time. Let's see. Get him, fishies. These fish actually do quite a bit of damage. I think in Master Rank they do a whole lot. You leaving again? You're just going up. Oh, I think. Oh. What? What a weird chain of events. Try to do some big damage there, though. Kuyaku jumped up just to fall asleep. That's crazy. And now he's leaving. Yeah, he's for sure leaving. He took a lot of damage there. Keep forgetting I got a dog, too. That I can ride the doggy. Yeah, I can sharpen on the doggy. On the whip. On the whippy. Man, Wild is going to be sick, man, with that, like, glider type of mount. It's going to be dope. If I knew he would have yelled. Oh, man. Wow. I'm surprised that didn't counter it. The fish here? Nope. Huh. That's something. Yaku wants to get some. Very surprised that hit. Yeah, that's the attack I do not like that we dropped that. Oh, thought I could backstep it. Maybe I'm just not a gun lance man. Maybe I'm just not a gun lancer. Oh. I think he's so silly looking when his sponges dry out. Looks silly. Look how silly he looks. Wow. He's dead. Okay. I might have to split this video into 2 parts, but I am going to keep hunting. We're going to do... We'll do Khezu. I want to do Khezu. this will probably be the hardest monster thus far. So in that case, I, on the way, am going to, for sure, get as many birds and hunter helpers as I can. Probably leave it in this time, but when it comes to more difficult hunts later on, I'll probably just cut out me getting all the birds and the hunting helpers, because it becomes kind of routine with the maps. As long as you know the maps, you know, like up here, like coming up here, like I'd come up here probably every time if it's for sure a difficult hunt, if I'm gonna have trouble with the hunt. So I don't think everybody needs to see every time that I come into this area and go to fight, you know, a Khezu, like a Barioth. I can tell you, when I get to Barioth, yeah, for sure I'm gonna pick up as many birds as I can. I have so much trouble with Barioth, it's insane. Maybe not so much in this game, for sure in World. Oh my gosh. But Frostfang is easier. I don't understand. They made like the Deviant that's an easier version of the monster that already exists. But they did it in this game with like Scorn Magnamalo. Scorn Magnamalo is way easier than regular Magnamalo, in my opinion. I know that there's like people that struggle with different mechanics and different aspects of the game, but I just think Scorn Magnamalo is, I think he's one of the easiest monsters in the game. You know, give me him now. Give me him now. I'll take him. Did I not pick up? Okay, I did. It's like in my mind, I like keep having to remind myself to pick it up, the supplies, but then I forget that I do because I'm just so not used to it. I did stock megas for this hunt because it's Khezu. Anybody who's played this game, not even this game, anybody who's played a Monster Hunter game where Khezu is present at all will know how scary this hunt's about to be. Well, potentially could be. Because he's going to yell as soon as I get near him. Oh, you can't even block that. Wow. Hey, you get poisoned, buddy. And he's on the same. I think you can throw kunai at him while he's up there. Yeah. So if you ever have problems with Khezu and he's up on the ceiling, throw some kunai at him. You get some damage. I mean, I'm telling you, man, perfect rush is insane. Maybe this hunt won't be too bad. One thing, this hunt will be loud. Oh no! See, if that was Freedom Unite, that would have been me. That would have been me right there, buddy. I would have been dead. I've seen some cats taking me back to Camp 1, buddy. I just used a Mulberry too. I just used a Mulberry. Nope. Alright, throw that at him. Trap bugs. Get him to step in trap bugs. Get him to flinch a little. Or he's gonna run away. Yeah. Okay. Not going, I mean, too bad right now. Could be better. Always could be better. I think his armor set gives focus, which is going to be great further on with Greatsword. That's why I think I'm struggling so much with Greatsword right now. Is I think that I'm just so used to having Focus 3 that when you take Focus 3 off of pretty much any set, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna be really bad. That 30% increase to charge times is insane. Oh. I thought it was gonna be mount. Thanks, Monster Hunter, for fixing your hitbox. Finally. They gonna fight? They are gonna fight, which means I get some Tetranodon parts. I don't remember the best move for Khezu, so I'm just gonna do this. Forward B. Forward B. It's so overpowered. This is so overpowered. One more, just for good measure. Ooh. My brother, the Tetranodon. I love the Tetranodon's design. I love it. I hope they put him or something similar to him, maybe like a deviant or a variant of him into Wilds, honestly. I think a lot of the monsters in Rise are really well designed. The ones that are new. I think like Magnamalo, super good. They're all based on like Japanese Oni, which I think are, you know, just insane designs. What's the mud guy? What's his name? Not Magmadron. Can't think of his name off the top of my head. He's like one of my favorite monsters, just based off of appearance in this entire game. Oh. See what you can do. Like this. I forget how to do it. There we go. Likes you. He likes you. Give me brute Khezu. Make his screams hurt. That would actually suck. Remember in Freedom Unite, man, like I had a buddy I'd play it with, and he would he struggled. We both struggled, both of us. It wasn't just him. We both struggled so hard with Khezu, like the first time that we fought him on that game. So we both just built I think it was the cat gun. I think it was like a rapid fire. I don't even know if it was rapid. I can't even remember if there was rapid fire back then. That's how long it's been. I haven't played the game since I was a little kid. Not really little kid, but I mean like 11 or 12. I was thinking about getting back into it, but then I remember how horrendous that initial like meeting with Tigrix is. You're just trying to get them popo tongues, and he just jumps on you, even though his whole his body didn't hit you at all, but the hitbox did. You know, or like Plesioth. Oh my gosh. In a weird way, though, I mean, people meme it. I think they should bring Plesioth back. I like Gyarados. I think Gyarados is a really cool monster. I think Plesioth and Gyarados are, you know, different enough. They both have their own individuality to where I think you could have both of them in the same game and it wouldn't hurt it. So let's finish him off. Pop. Is he good? Oh, I dodged it. Cool. Now we check to see if we can build the armor. I didn't check the other armors either. I just got speed eating, rapid, heroics, hunger resistance. Okay. There you go. Focus. 1 level of focus though. Just the 1. Attack boost, defense boost. Guard. About Kuliaku. Slugger. Yeah, I mean, probably will build the Khezu part. I need to fight Baroth again to get that tail, man. I need to get that. I need to get some the Baroth scalp. That would be nice. Attack boost 3. Focus. Pretty cool. I also need to build. I hate doing it, but I gotta build the probably build the Khezu. Where is it at? Am I crazy? Did I skip? I did. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I could work without it. All right, now we're gonna fight Roggy to finish it out. Let me grab some of these optionals. Sure. For these, optional subquests. All right, we're gonna fight Roggy to get the full complete on 3-star village, and then, like I said, I'm gonna record the rampage. But if anything, I'll probably just speed it up and then voice over it. Time to get poisoned 8 times. As I was saying before the cut, yeah, I think a majority of the rampages, that's what I'll probably do. The ones that I need to do, I'll just speed them up and voice over, kind of just giving a synopsis about what's going on, because they're boring and actually kind of annoying to do. So that'll probably just be in the next episode. That paired with some other stuff. I'll only voice over the rampage part. The actual, rest of the content, it'll be live commentary, I guess. Should we get some ore on the way to go? On the way to him. Juice. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Not really, but... Yep, and I'm already for it. At least his body's off. Boss. Anyway. Oh, not the hip check. The hip check always comes back. Oh, I can, yeah, totally forgot. Thunder Beetle. Not playing World. Sword and Shield does so much damage in this game. Does a lot of damage in World too, but it's ridiculous in this game. The combos that you can do, especially with the wire bugs as well, they're crazy. Tell you what. Wait till I get Metsu. Wait till I get Metsu Shoryogeki. It's gonna be insane. Where's what was his name? Great Jaggy. Where's he at in this game? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You got Jaggies and you got Jaggies. Great Jaggy. The greatest Jaggy. Just like the greatest Jaggies. That'd be a quest, man. Ooh. Oh, I'm getting my camp too. I didn't even notice that. Still getting used to the HUD. Still getting used to it a lot. I gotta get my range right on this. Oh. Oh. Pretty cool finishes today. Really cool finishes today. Now there's nothing left to do but the rampage. So I'm going to cut this one here. Next episode will be the rampage, and then probably getting into 4-star. So, see you guys later!